So I'm sitting here in the Churchill district of Richmond, Virginia, waiting for my reservation at the Roosevelt. Really excited about getting in there and checking out some of that catfish. I've been dying for some catfish all day. Love the Southern cuisine down here. Gonna go inside, have a couple cocktails. Gonna have a conversation with Leah, their head chef, and hopefully not come out too waddly. All right. All right, let's cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Thank you very much for this.
Thanks for coming to see us. And fried white and fried hard. I hope you like the chicken as much as I do. And I'll put you in a few minutes, okay?
The only thing I like more is your nails. I mean, it's just kind of... All right, so I am here with Djimon Hounsou, and we're here in Richmond, Virginia at the Black History Museum.
That's right.
And we're here for Run Richmond 1619.
That's
so
right.
I think the first question to start with is, what is Richmond 1619 and what does it mean to you?
Whatever the way the wind blow it, people smell it for miles away. They smell it down at the stoplight, turn around and come back. They couldn't resist it anymore.
Do you find it relaxing? So you're in the kitchen, and obviously you love, have a passion for what you do, but do you find it relaxing at times?
Yeah, the mind, but by being 72 years old, the body.
Also, I'm very sorry for your quarterback situation. I hope you can clear that up pretty soon. I'm gonna leave it there, but you know, you're doing so well, you know, with this, so I'm just like, you know, it got to counterbalance.
So you're saying we're not the same boat with the quarterback, right?
No, you said that. I just said, I'm sorry about your quarterback situation. I left it open-ended. You went there. It says more about you and your loyalty to the Steelers than me.
Wow.
Okay, that's all. I mean, I don't want any trouble. I'm just
Russell
saying.
Wilson, Richmond native.
First time you noticed him was that Love, what's the music video with Janet Jackson? Love Will Never Do Without You, where he's in those shorts. Was that the first time you saw him? Come on.
Well, let me just say, let me just say.
I don't want no trouble, but I'm just saying.
You trying to start some trouble, so I'm just.
Cheers to Quirk.